Modern cable manufacturing relies on speed, precision, and continuous execution. A single machine processes thousands of meters of copper wire hourly, generating constant sensor data. Yet, across heavy industry, facilities produce massive amounts of operational data while lacking a synchronized understanding of their own reality. This list highlights the fragmented state of industrial systems. ERP tracks financial orders and inventory. MES handles manufacturing execution. SCADA monitors real-time machine behavior, and the historian stores time series data. Each system holds an isolated piece of the truth. Executives often monitor screens filled with finalized metrics. They observe performance drops or yield issues, but remain blind to the specific context, assumptions, and human choices that shaped those outcomes. M0N0 functions as the operational nervous system designed to eliminate this blind spot. It bridges the physical shop floor and the strategic business layer. Raw electrical signals from machinery become trusted data, and that data provides the foundation for governed organizational knowledge. True industrial intelligence requires business context. The architecture must connect shop floor execution directly with enterprise resource planning. This flow maps the complete enterprise cycle. A customer inquiry generates a sales order, which triggers a technical review, dictates production planning, coordinates shop floor execution, and concludes with delivery and invoicing. This continuous link forms the digital thread. It assigns a persistent identity to a product order, tracing it from initial design constraints through material procurement and physical machine assignment. This process sequence details the physical execution required for a cable order. The digital identity follows the materials through wire drawing, annealing, conductor formation, and insulation extrusion. M0N0 binds these specific operational stages back to the ERP's exact bill of materials and authorized production routing. This contextual integration enables operational intelligence. The architecture tracks overall equipment effectiveness, correlates alarms, and detects early failure indicators, while maintaining strict awareness of the active production order. Raw machine signals gain utility only when explicitly linked to defined orders, materials, recipes, and objectives. A standard control room dashboard reveals current symptoms, like an active alarm or an efficiency loss. It fails to preserve the reasoning behind the human response. This checklist defines decision memory. It requires recording the triggering event, the alternatives evaluated, the predicted consequences, and the final lessons learned after an intervention. Consider a high-temperature alarm on an extrusion line. A conventional SCADA system logs the temperature spike and time. This list of variables demonstrates why context is critical. That identical high-temperature alarm could result from a faster production rate, an incorrect recipe, cooling system degradation, or a blocked ventilation shaft. Condition space analysis reconstructs this entire operating context. Conventional platforms filter out unusual statistical events as system noise. These outliers, whether rare process interactions or emerging quality risks, contain vital, unmapped operational behaviors. An intelligent enterprise documents these events to build a permanent repository of decision knowledge, rather than merely logging historical measurements. This maps the integrated architecture. Layer 1 begins with physical machines and processes, moving to Layer 2, where edge systems capture raw data. Moving upward, Layer 5 integrates ERP resources, and Layer 6 applies analytics to establish M0N0 operational intelligence and digital twin foundations. Examining the highest levels of the stack, layers 8 through 10 introduce organizational learning. This integrates decision memory, enterprise decision twin concepts, and the future neuro-intelligent unified architecture. This workflow dictates the human-in-the-loop protocol. AI models observe the condition space and recommend alternatives, but authorized human experts must validate and approve any action before the system executes. Intelligence operates within strict boundaries. It cannot bypass deterministic safety logic, override emergency stops, or ignore cybersecurity policies. This 10-layer framework provides a concrete blueprint for constructing an adaptive, governed, and decision-centered enterprise. Evolving into a cognitive architecture requires 10 practical phases. It starts by establishing core industrial connectivity and securing trusted data acquisition. This development roadmap details the progression. By phase 3 and 4, facilities achieve full ERP integration and end-to-end traceability across the digital thread. Technical honesty defines this deployment. M0N0 currently delivers robust operational intelligence, while concepts like full NIUA integration represent a research-informed architectural direction rather than an immediately deployed product. Scaling this framework demands detailed engineering, strict data governance, complete OT/IT segmentation, and active change management. The deployment advances intelligently, ensuring every operational capability rests on verified industrial safety protocols. A true smart factory connects operational execution directly with business objectives. Daily human decisions are captured, evaluated, and stored as permanent organizational learning. As this text summarizes, M0N0 begins with industrial signals. It transforms data into operational intelligence. Through ERP integration and decision-centered design, the enterprise continuously learns and adapts. From operational intelligence to governed enterprise decisions, M0N0 Smart Factory Evolution, ERP, Operational Intelligence, DMDD, and NIUA.